Hello people. So I bought waveformers. As you know, I bleached my hair a couple of months ago, and I've been trying not to put any heat on it because of the bleach. I have curlformers, from many years ago. I think we're all familiar with curlformers. If we're not, I'll put a picture or a little link in the video so you can see what they look like. But curlformers are a little too tight. Like they curl my hair a little more tightly than I want it to be. So I was trying to straighten it without using any heat. So I bought waveformers, but not the little squiggly looking ones like that crimp look. They're just supposed to be like ocean waves, so they're bigger. The curls are bigger. I've never tried them before, but we're gonna try them together and see if they make a difference from curlformers. Oh, they sent me a beach towel too. Oh, how cute. Okay. Okay. Oh, there's more boxes. Okay, 1 second. Okay, back. Okay, so this is what they come in, and this is how they look. How many are in there? Okay, it looks like 16. 16 are in the little bucket thing. I bought 2 because I didn't know if 16 would be enough to do my whole head. So yeah, that's what they look like. Okay, so it comes with the, I don't even know what this thing is called. Oh yeah. And then you just put it together. Okay, snaps in. All right, we're ready to roll. So I'm sure you guys all know how to do this, but just in case, let's assume I know how to do it. Okay, here we go. Just slide it on like that. I'm going to prep my hair and do a couple for you. What I realized after I already started is that some of them are all gray and some of them have a little blue stripe. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm assuming some are supposed to be on one side and then the others are on the other side, which I've already started. Not sure if this is right, but we're gonna experiment. So I'm gonna leave the blue stripes for the other side. I don't know if I put any on this side. Oh, I think I did. But yeah, so if you get them, take note that there are 2 different ones. So just wanted to let you know that. Okay, so a couple things that I've noticed. One, it moves faster because you're taking bigger chunks of hair. The little latch part here will hold more hair, so you're taking bigger chunks, so you move a lot quicker. The other thing I will say is they don't appear to be as tight, so I don't know how well that's going to turn out. The curlformers are tight, so it actually smooths your hair. These are not, so I don't know if it's going to really smooth as well as the others. So we'll see when it dries how it turns out. But I figured I'll do a couple on camera just so you can see and call it a day. Twisting. And then just pulling it through. And then we'll do one more. Just put it on the hook. Take a section of hair. Make sure it's detangled. I already detangled before I did this. I just, a last thing. So it's not like it's that easy to detangle my hair. Put it on the hook and slide it through. So that's it. I'm gonna finish my head off camera. I'll come back when I'm done just to show you how it looks while I dry, and then I will be back for the takeout. All right, so all done. This is how it looks. Took maybe 15 minutes. I didn't really count, but it was quick. This is probably the fastest I've ever been able to do it. And I think I probably could have put more hair in each little roller, which would have been even less time, so I wouldn't need as many. But yes, this is it. I'm going to go sit and let it air dry, and then I will be back when I'm dry. Okay, I'm back, I'm dry, and I am going to take them out, see how this worked. Very easy to take out, no snagging. Okay, so what I will say is exactly what I was worried about is what happened. It didn't smooth. Can you see this? It didn't smooth the hair because it's not quite as tight as the curlformers. Like it doesn't, I don't know what, like it doesn't clasp as tightly. So it didn't smooth it the way curlformers do. So here's how it looks. It did stretch it, so I will give it credit for stretching. However, it still has like texture in it, a little bit more texture than a curlformer would have. But it did stretch it, and the curls are a lot looser. So yeah, I'm wondering if I put bigger chunks of hair in it, if it would have been tighter. So the next time I try it, I'll give that a shot and see if it makes it any better. But this is what it looks like. I will have to play with it some because this itself is not gonna work for me. But it'll probably make it easier to do some type of other style. It'll be stretched so I can, I don't know, do a twist out or something, band two knots. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but it's stretched. It did stretch it. So if your goal is just to stretch it without heat, I think this will work. If you don't mind the texture, as you can see here, it's like crinkly. It didn't get rid of the curls. If you don't mind that, then you'll be good to go. If you do, then you're gonna have to do another step of some sort. But if you're just trying to stretch and get it closer to straight without using heat, then this is certainly closer to straight than the curlformers. But then with the texture part, you got to deal with that. However, I think I can overcome that. So that's it. Yeah. What do you think?